Hi, I'm Michael's son, and this is my second original design, the Master Pentet puzzle. This is a higher order version of my first original design, the Pentet puzzle. So what I mean by that is that instead of just having one layer of corner turning, we now have two layers of corner turning. And I've designed this puzzle so that the inner layers will intersect with each other, which makes it for a much more challenging solve. Instead of just having like this layer here and then another outer cut on right around here. This puzzle was designed in SolidWorks and printed in white solid and flexible through the Sculpteo website. Now this puzzle measures 30 millimeters to a pentagonal edge and 25 millimeters to a rectangular edge. The turning for this puzzle is actually very, very good. It doesn't feel like an SLS printed puzzle. There's not too much of that chalky, grainy turning feel that you tend to get with most shape-based puzzles or Sculpteo puzzles. In addition to corner turning, this puzzle is also a domino puzzle, so it turns on these two slices. The stickers for this puzzle were kindly made by Oliver Nagy. So we have black right here, yellow, purple, blue, red, orange, and green. This is actually the second version of this puzzle. The first version, right here, well, first off, this puzzle uses a spindle mechanism. So what that is, that on the inside of this piece right here, there are little arms that extend and hold on to these trapezoidal pieces. And so on this version right here, those arms were actually much too thin. And so as the layers of this puzzle would turn, the arms would actually twist with it. And so as they twist, they would kind of warp and they'd end up snapping and pieces would end up breaking off, just like this. And also you might notice that the cuts on this one are much too shallow. And it's not very representative of the face of a Master Pentet. So I've also changed up the cuts on it. If you're interested in this puzzle, it'll be available on my Sculpteo shop and my Shapeless shop. It will only be available in white solid and flexible, nothing else, no polished material, because the parts come in a center box, and because they're all in the center box, it's basically impossible to polish them, and it's also like very hard to get a good dye job when you dye them when they're all in a center box. When you dye them, it'll be like very uneven. So if you do want a different color than white, what I recommend doing is actually purchasing the puzzle in white solid and flexible in the center box, and then going home and using Rit dye in whatever color you'd like to dye the pieces. Alright, that's about it for this video. I hope to have more in the future. Thank you very much for watching.